Guys, imagine being on a WhatsApp video call with someone who speaks a different language and still being able to understand what's going on. Not by copying messages into Google Translate, not by stopping the conversation every 2 seconds, but actually having the call, seeing the person, hearing them speak, and having live translation helping you follow the conversation. That's what we're looking at today with AI Phone. Now, AI Phone does a few different things, but you know what? For this video, I'm only focusing on one feature, and that is WhatsApp video calling with live translation. So we're going to have a look at how it works, where it could be useful, and include a live demo so you can see what it's like in a real call. So stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Right guys, today we're taking a look at AI Phone. Now, AI Phone has a bunch of awesome features, but this one I'm going to be taking a look at is live translation during a WhatsApp video call. So if you've got family abroad, you've got friends in another country, overseas clients, suppliers, brands, creators, or anyone you need to speak to where language gets in the way, this could be really useful. And because it works with video calling, it feels a bit more natural than just sending translated text messages back and forth. You can see the person, still have the call, but you've got translation helping you understand each other. Now guys, before we get into it, AI Phone was sent to me to take a look at, for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. Also guys, with any live translation, you do need to keep your expectations realistic. Accents, background noise, people talking too quickly, two people talking at the same time, and quality of the call can all make a difference. So I wouldn't use this for anything where every single word needs to be legally perfect, but for everyday conversations, travel, work, calls, creator collaborations, or just getting past a language barrier, this is definitely interesting. So guys, let's take a look at the setup, right? It's pretty easy. Just download the app to your phone, pick a trial or subscription mode, add your number, import any contacts, and boom, you are good to go. Now, I've got AI Phone installed. I've got WhatsApp ready for the video call, and I'm going to set the languages before the call. Now, for this example, I'm going to be speaking English, and my good friend Claudio will be on the other end speaking Italian. Now guys, before we get into that demo, let's talk about why this matters. Now, WhatsApp is already one of those apps that a lot of people use every single day. You use it for your friends, family, groups, work messages, quick calls, video calls, and all the usual comm stuff. But the second you need to speak to somebody who doesn't speak your language, everything slows down. You either start by typing messages into a translator, or you send voice notes and hope that the other person can work it out, or you just avoid the call altogether. And that is where this kind of live translation makes sense. It's going to keep the conversation going without turning everything into a slow copy and paste exercise. So this is what we've been waiting for. Let's get into that demo. I've got the AI Phone app, which is used to set up the WhatsApp call. You click on video call, you choose the other speaker's language, which I'm going to choose Italian. It creates a link with your chosen contact and then sends that link to them while initiating the WhatsApp call. They get an invitation link to join the call, and there you go. So let's call my buddy Claudio.
Buongiorno David.
Hello, how are you?
Sto bene, grazie. Come stai te?
I'm good, thank you. I mean, I haven't spoken to you for ages, so how you been keeping?
Non c'è male, grazie.
Good. So what are you up to?
Stamattina sono andato al dentista con mia moglie.
Okay, you went to the dentist. Did it go well for her?
Sì, abbastanza bene, grazie. Non devi ritornare per un'altra 6 settimane.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So you don't have to go back for another 6 weeks. That's always good.
Sì, sì.
So
E poi dopo devo andare a lavorare.
I could see her in the background there. So say hi to her for me.
Hello. Yeah, not the same, is it? Non è uguale.
Okay, it's hilarious. Anyway, so you're working tonight, yes?
Sì, sì, a Londra devo andare per le 5.
Oh, okay. London. Good. What time will you be home then?
Verso le 10.
Do you feel like you've had this conversation, like a bit of deja vu?
Sì, sembra, sì.
Well, it's very kind of you to help me out with this. I mean, how is it for you? How's the experience?
Per me sta andando bene.
Yeah, I think it works pretty well here, right? I mean, the translation's pretty good.
Non c'è male, si vede, quello che ho visto io sembra bene.
Excellent. Well, I really appreciate you helping me out with this call, and hopefully I'm going to see you Monday to drink some of your beer.
Non vedo l'ora che ti vedo, David.
Perfect. I can't wait to see you either. So take care of yourself, say hi to Sharon, and I will see you soon.
Ci vediamo subito. Buona giornata.
Brilliant. You take care. Have a great day also.
Ciao, ciao.
So guys, there you go. Not bad, eh? Yes, I know you need to get into a bit of a flow and find like a bit of a rhythm, but once in that flow, it all works pretty well. And I think that's the key point. Now, this isn't magic, right? It doesn't suddenly make language differences disappear completely, but it can make a conversation possible where normally you might not have had one at all. For me, that's where the value is. If you're traveling and need to speak to somebody, if you work with brands overseas, if you collaborate with creators, editors, designers, suppliers, or clients in a different country, or even if you've got family, or in this case, friends, where language is a bit of a barrier. Actually, the language between him and I is not usually a bit of a barrier, but anyway, you know what I mean. Being able to jump on a call, a WhatsApp video call, and have that translation helping in real time is really useful. And as you saw from the demo, it's a lot of fun also, right? Although we're both terrible actors. But there you go, guys. There you have it. That's AI phone being used for live translation on a WhatsApp video call. For me, the main thing is that it makes conversations possible that would normally be awkward, slow, or just not happen at all. It's not perfect and you do need to speak clearly and give the translation a bit of room to work, but when you get into the rhythm of it, it can be genuinely useful. So if you travel, work internationally, collaborate with people overseas, or just want an easier way to speak across languages, this is definitely worth a look. And guys, at the time of this video going live, AI phone has a lot of different plan options depending on the features that you need. I will leave the links in the description below, along with any current pricing, free trials or discounts that I've been given. And as always, guys, check the plan carefully before signing up, especially if you specifically want WhatsApp video call translation and live translation features. Guys, if you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to AI Phone for giving me access to the app to review. And of course, thanks to my good friend Claudio for helping me to make this video. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.